Question number 1. Where is kidney located? Option A, esophagus. Option B, aorta. Option C, urethra. Option D, abdomen. The answer is option D, abdomen. Kidney. Bean-shaped retroperitoneal organ. Located in T12 to L3. In between 11 to 12 ribs. 12 centimeters length. 6 centimeters width. 3 centimeters thickness. Weight. 150 grams in males. 135 grams in females. Question number 2. Psychosocial development stage for infants is: Option A, autonomous versus shame. Option B, trust versus mistrust. Option C, initiative versus guilt. Option D, industry versus inferiority. The answer is option B, trust versus mistrust. Psychosocial development theory by Erik Erikson. 8 stages are there. Stage 1. Trust versus mistrust. Age group 0 to 1.5 years or infants. Stage 2. Autonomy versus shame or doubt. Age group 1.5 years to 3 years or toddlers. Stage 3. Initiative versus guilt. Age group 3 to 5 years or preschoolers. Stage 4. Industry versus inferiority. Age group 5 to 12 years or schoolers. Stage 5. Identity versus role confusion. Age group 12 to 19 years. Stage 6. Intimacy versus isolation. Age group 19 to 30 years. Stage 7. Generativity versus stagnation. Age group 30 to 55 years. Stage 8. Ego integrity versus disappearance. Age group greater than 55 years. Question number 3. Functional nursing is a method of providing: Option A, care of records. Option B, case management. Option C, patient care. Option D, equipment care. The answer is option C, patient care. Functional nursing. In the functional nursing method of patient care delivery, staff members are assigned to complete certain tasks for a group of patients, rather than care for specific patients. Question number 4. Which disease is the dementia associated with asymmetric atrophy of the frontal and temporal lobes? Option A, vascular disease. Option B, Huntington disease. Option C, Jacob disease. Option D, Pick's disease. The answer is option D, Pick's disease. Pick's disease. It is a kind of dementia similar to Alzheimer's disease, but less common. It affects parts of the brain that control emotions, behavior, personality, and language. Vascular disease, vasculopathy, affects the blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients throughout your body and remove waste from your tissues. Common vascular problems happen because plaque slows down or blocks blood flow inside our arteries or veins. Huntington disease. An inherited condition in which nerve cells in the brain break down over time. It typically starts in a person's 30s or 40s. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. degenerative brain disorder that leads to dementia and death. Question number 5. Thromboangiitis obliterans is also known as Option A. Metabolic disease. Option B. Arterial flutter disease. Option C. Aortic obliterans. Option D. Berger's disease. The answer is option D. Berger's disease. Thromboangiitis obliterans, also known as Berger's disease. It is an obliterative, vascular disease affecting the medium and small-sized arteries, especially those of the feet and hands.